Ever wondered how to get abs like a Greek god? Welcome to a journey where aesthetics meet functionality, a journey that carves out abs of steel and a core as strong as a Spartan. Remember, a well-defined, visible 6 or 8 pack is not just about the sexiness factor, it's about your ability to function well and remain injury-free. Through a mix of dynamic and static exercises, we'll work those core muscles to their fullest potential. So when you train your core like a Spartan, you're not only working towards looking like a Greek god, but also building up your ability to act, injury-free like a Spartan warrior. One of the most effective dynamic exercises for the core is the crunch. It's a simple yet powerful way to work those abs. Picture yourself lying flat on your back, knees bent, feet planted firmly on the floor, hands gently resting at your ears. Your neck should be in a neutral position, comfortably aligned with the spine. Now curl your midsection and spine about 30% towards your knees. Hold that pose for a moment. Feel the burn, then slowly lower back down. Repeat this movement for a number of repetitions. The crunch can also be performed as a side variation, alternating each rep towards opposite knees. The crunch, done in 3 to 5 sets, makes it a foundation of most core training sessions. Another key dynamic exercise that targets the lower abs is the seated knee-ups. Start by sitting on a bench or a chair, firmly gripping the seat while leaning back slightly. Extend your legs in front of you, engaging your abs. Now, pull your legs in so that your knees are touching your abs. The movement should be fluid and controlled, ensuring that your lower abs are doing the work. Seated knee-ups, done to failure in 3 to 5 sets, are excellent for lower abs. Now let's switch gears and talk about static exercises. Front plank and side plank are 2 great ones. To perform a front plank, start by laying on the floor as if you're about to do a push-up. Instead of placing your hands on the floor, rest your upper body on your forearms and elbows, forming an L shape with each arm. Your elbows should be in line with your shoulders. The next step is to come up on your toes while keeping your core tight. It's all about holding that tension, not about reps. Now let's move on to the side plank. It's similar to the front plank, but you'll be propping yourself up on one elbow and the side of one foot. It's essential to keep your head and neck in a neutral position. Remember to keep your core tense for time, not reps, and ensure you do an equal number of sets on each side. Remember, in static exercises like front plank and side plank, you hold the position for time, not reps. So there you have it, a Spartan warrior's guide to Greek god abs. We've explored the dynamic crunch and seated knee-ups, along with the static front and side planks. Each plays a crucial role in building a strong, defined core. Keep the intensity high and you'll be on your way to a core worthy of a Greek god.